Do you think they've quarantined the city?
Probably. They found out it was an airborne virus.
You realize that means we could both have it.
We can't think like that.
I'm just saying, once we go out there, we might not make it.
Lois.
I'm serious. Those things are everywhere. It would just suck to go out without any closure. Clark, do you have any deep, dark secrets?
Do you?
Last year when I was talking with the red blue blur, for the first time in my life, I was doing something that mattered. And I wanted to work with him because we did such good things together. But then I started to realize that I wasn't just doing it to save people. I was doing it for me. I just wanted to be with him.
We all get crushes, Lois. It doesn't make you a bad person.
You don't understand. I had never had this connection with someone before. Now that I have this connection, I don't want to go back to the way things were. This is embarrassing to admit, but I don't want to be alone anymore.
We gotta go.
Oliver? What are you doing here?
I was looking for tests when the whole building went Resident Evil. Come on. Got any idea what triggered this sudden appetite for human carpaccio?
All I know is 1 minute my copy editor's dozing, the next he's trying to bite my face off.
Same thing happened to Tess. She was asleep. She woke up. She became one of them.
So you think this thing incubates when people are sleeping?
Let's hope not. We only have a few hours till 4 million people get up to go to work.
One hell of a rush hour.
Didn't hear. Could be sick.
Clark,
Someone's gonna go for help.
please, be careful.
Everything's gonna be all right.
Okay. Good luck, Clark.
Oliver, she's in your hands now. Don't let her fall asleep.